The given is, we have negative 14, 18, and 5, 18. So step number 1, determine if the following points are aligned horizontally or vertically. So let us observe the given ordered pairs. Let us identify the x-coordinate first. What is the x-coordinate here? Negative 14. Ito, positive 5. Magkaiba. Tama po. Proceed tayo kay y-coordinates. Ano po ito? 18 at equal yung y-coordinates natin. Therefore, we need to use horizontal or vertical? Horizontal naman po. So, the horizontal distance. Okay. Take note, ginagamit si horizontal distance kapag equal yung y-coordinate. Si vertical distance naman kapag equal yung x-coordinate. Now, what is the formula in finding the horizontal distance? Distance is equal to absolute value of what? X sub 2 minus x sub 1. And then after that, put a label. Okay, so first write x and y. X and y. And then 1, 1, 2, 2. Now identify what is x sub 2. 5. Minus, what is x sub 1? Negative 14. We need to use parenthesis first. Ilagay muna natin anak sa loob ng parenthesis si 14. Then after that, ito po yung sinasabi ko. Kapag ang operation ay subtraction at may negative tayong given sa integers, we need to apply cha-cha. Okay. So, copy the first, the minuend, then change the operation to addition, then change the sign of the subtrahend. Si 14, si negative, magiging positive na po. Then after that, simplify. 5 plus 14. Okay, 19. Now, give me the absolute value of 19. Okay, ganun pa rin po, positive 19. So, therefore, the distance is 19 units.